Dear student of class 7, this is the second video of chapter 3rd elaboration on MS Excel 2007, and in this video we will discuss about cell reference. A cell reference identifies the location of a cell or a group of cells in the worksheet. It is the method by which we refer to a cell or cell range in the formula. It plays an important role of creating formula in a spreadsheet. Means without knowing about cell reference, we are not able to use formula, functions and charts in a spreadsheet. This is of three types: relative cell reference, absolute cell reference and mixed cell reference. Now, relative cell reference. In this type of reference, the formula are automatically changed relative to the cell location when we copy a formula from one cell to other cell. This type of reference is called relative because it is in this the formula is automatically changed by itself relative to the location of the cell. We not need to do anything. For example, see here two tables are given. In one we enter formula and in other we will get the output. In first one there are price, quantity, total. Now in price 50 is given, 60 is given, 70 is given. Quantity is 5, 6 and 7. Now in total we enter the formula for multiplying these two. So formula is equal to B2, means the cell address of 50 is in column B and row 2. So B2 into means asterisk symbol. C2 is 5. The cell address of 5 is column C and address row 2. So C2. In third one, when we copy it in below cells, it automatically changes to B3 and C3 and then B4 and C4. Means when we write a formula equal to B2 into C2 and we copy it in below cells, it will automatically change to B3, C3 and B4 and C4. So the result of that multiplication is 5 into 50, 250, 6 into 6, 360 and 7 into 7, that is 490. So this type of reference is the relative cell reference, where when we copy a formula from one cell to other cell, its address will be changed automatically according to the copying of formula. Next is mixed cell reference, absolute cell reference. Absolute cell reference, in this reference, when we copy a formula to a new location, it will remain same. Means there is no change in the cell reference or cell address of the formula. In absolute reference, we use dollar sign before the column name and row number to make it fixed. If we use a dollar sign before the column name and row number, then it will change to absolute cell reference from relative cell reference. And if it changes to absolute cell reference, then when we copy a formula from one place to other place, the reference cannot be changed. It remain always fixed. Now take an example here also. It is similar to the previous example: price, quantity and total. Now here 50, 60, 70 are price, 5, 6, 7 are quantity. Now the first formula is equal to B2 into $C$2 means B2 into C2, but we make it absolute, so we use dollar as a prefix before C and 2, column name and row number. Now when we copy this formula, the second part of the formula is remain constant, is fixed. Like in second, when we copy to the second cell and third cell, B2 changed to B3, but C2 is remain fixed because it is a absolute cell reference. And fourth also, B2 changed to B4, but C2 is remain fixed. So the result of this will change from the first one. See here, in price, first one is correct because we use formula relative to that, 50 into 5, 250. But in second and third, the formula is, the result is 300 and 350. Means in first part that contain B column 50, 60, 70, that is relative, but in second part that contain 5, 6, 7. In this the cell reference is fixed, so it always take C3, C2, it always takes C2. The value in C2 is 5, so he multiplied all the cells with 5. So 50 into 5, 250, 60 into 5, 300, and 70 into 5, 350. But here we written 6 and 7, but instead of 6, 7, it multiplied it with 5, because in absolute cell reference when we copy the formula, it cannot be changed. Now the last is mixed cell reference. Mixed cell reference, in this cell reference, the part of a formula is in absolute form and relative form, both. It is a combination of absolute cell reference and relative cell reference. One part in absolute cell reference and other part in relative cell reference. Either we fixed row number or column name to make it mixed reference. Means it is upon us to make what we fixed. Either we fixed column name by making it absolute, or we make fixed row number by making it absolute. Like here examples are given. In first one, A1 into $2. In this example, row number is fixed, means if we use this formula and we copy from one place to another place, the row number 2 is remain same, but the column name is changed. And in second one, A1 into $A2, in this column name is fixed, so when we copy this formula, the row number is changed but the column name is remain fixed. Now this is about cell referencing. Now next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.